Sit down, please. Okay, guys, listen up. Before we start, we need to congratulate Casillas for returning from injury. Welcome back, Casillas.
Welcome back, my friend.
You are a very important player for us, and I know you will do very well in the next stage of the season. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next match is very, very important. It will be against Barcelona in the Camp Nou. This match is against our main rival, and it will be a title decider. Casillas, you will start this game. We better all concentrate, and you will be a vital player for us. So you need to concentrate very well on this match. Okay?
Don't worry,
okay, coach. Okay. Let's go, guys. Okay. Come on. Okay, Madrid on 3. 1, 2, 3. Madrid!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is your commentator Andy Gray, and today is a very, very important match between Barcelona and Real Madrid in the Spanish Clásico. This match is very, very important because it may be decided a title decider. As we can see that Ramos and Marcelo are doing the stretchings before the match. Casillas is wearing his gloves and is getting ready. As we know, Casillas just came back from injury 2 days ago. So we can consider it a gamble from Mourinho that he played him today and he's going to play him today. But Casillas is a great goalkeeper, and Madrid may depend on him. As we can see that Modric is getting ready, is doing the warm-ups with Casillas. And as we can see that 90,000 fans are filling the stadium and roaring for Barcelona. As you can see, there is no place for anybody to enter the stadium, and there are many, a few Madrid fans are roaring for Madrid. Okay, now this match is going to start in just 15 minutes.
As we can see, Modric and Casillas are warming up. Mourinho is approaching Casillas to talk with him.
How are you, Casillas?
I'm fine, coach.
How are you feeling before the match?
Yeah, good.
This match is very important.
Yeah.
Just keep the clean sheet, and we will win the title.
Don't worry, coach.
Don't mess this up, okay?
Okay, don't worry. I'll handle it.
Many people are attacking me because I played you, and as you came from injury, as long as you came from injury. But I know that you are a great goalkeeper, and you will save us today.
Don't worry, I will make your head up, coach.
Do your best, okay?
Okay.
May I love you too.
Bye.
32nd minute of the first half, and the ball with Marcelo. Marcelo is going to his own area. He is passing it to Ramos. Ramos is returning it to Casillas, and Messi is stressing. Messi took the ball, and he's going to score a goal. Oh, it's a goal! It's a goal! What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing, man?
Sorry, man.
And Barcelona are leading by 1-0. The ball is with Casillas. Casillas, oh, he made a fatal mistake. Oh, and the ball is now with Busquets. Busquets is going to score. Casillas is being toyed with in the goal, and he's going to score. Busquets. Casillas is absolutely. Oh, it's a second goal. It's a second goal for Barcelona, and Mourinho is absolutely furious. Hey, hey!
What the hell you are doing?
What are you doing?
Hey! What you are doing?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Second half of the match, Real Madrid against Barcelona, and Barcelona is leading by 2 goals. Modric has the ball. He's passing to Casillas, and it's a goal! No way! Can't believe it! And he's so frustrated. Let's see Mourinho's reaction. Seems like he's going to substitute the goalkeeper.
Okay. Go tell the referee.
Seems like they're fighting with each other.
Come on. Why? I have no time to deal with you. Come on. Come on.
Each time you get me out!
Come on.
Why?
Are you going to hit me or something?
I'm not a wrestler! I was not a wrestler! Each time you get me out! I was not
as long as I am coach, you will not touch a ball again in this
Why
club.
are you doing that to me? I will tell my mother.
So Casillas, how do you feel about the current situation? I know it's very hard for you, but how are you dealing with it?
I'm thinking about neglecting him and just wait till another coach comes and after I will play with the team again.
So what will you do?
As I said, I'm going to neglect him.
But I think you should go apologize to him about the last match.
No.
Did you make a mistake?
I don't think so. It's not my mistake. It's not my fault.
To be honest, it's your mistake in the last match. Every goalkeeper make a mistake.
Okay. Maybe it's my mistake in the match, but it's not my mistake that any sport, sometimes you lose, sometimes.
A great goalkeeper, it is not supposed to happen.
Okay, but no, sports, you have to win, you have to
Yes,
lose.
but
That's sport.
I don't agree with them. Because you have many offers from Arsenal, Manchester and Chelsea. And they offer higher wage and they have a better organization, as well as a better training. In my opinion, Mourinho is a very unsuccessful trainer. And he's the reason why we lost against Barcelona. No, it was not you. So I think you should leave the club.
No, I don't think I'm going to leave the club because that team taught me how to be a goalkeeper, how to play football. He taught me from when I was young, and I have my friends here, so I'm not thinking about leaving the team. I'll just wait till another coach comes instead of Mourinho, and I'll continue training with the team again.
I agree with you, Casillas, as you achieved many things with your team, Real Madrid, and become a champion in Real Madrid. So you have to stay in Madrid until things will be better in the future.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay, come on.
Hello.
Hi, coach.
Hi, coach. Hi, coach.
Can I sit with you?
Yeah, of course.
How are you?
fine.
How are you feeling?
Everything is fine.
I think now since we are improving our position in the league after this tough loss against Barcelona, since Diego Lopez came into the team and played as a starter, we are not conceding as many goals and he's not making mistakes as you, obviously. So we are doing well right now. Does anybody have any problem with that or something?
No, we all are satisfied and feel good with you.
Okay, I hope so. Modric, Ramos, Marcelo, be ready for the next game because you will play.
Okay.
Obviously, you will sit on the bench, but be ready in case that Lopez injured or something. Okay.
Okay.
See you guys.
Mourinho, how do you see your relationship between you and Casillas?
The relationship between me and Casillas. Okay, and it's kind of a player-coach relationship. Obviously, I'm the coach, and he is a player under my supervision. He has to train well, he has to perform well in order to get into the starting 11. Obviously, he's not doing that at the moment. And after the injury and after the Barcelona match and the fatal mistakes he did, actually, he cost us a title. So I just cannot let him play until he regains his performance and his standard of play. And as you can see, Diego Lopez is performing well at the moment, and he is my first preference as a goalkeeper for the team. And there's nothing to say about Casillas. Casillas is really a second-tier goalkeeper for me.
Okay, another question to you, Captain Ramos. I want to know from you how you see the performance of Casillas in the training in order to play the next match with Spain. And do you think that he will play the next match or not?
I see that he's really trying hard to get his old performance back. And he's doing extra training, extra shifts, and extra work to accomplish that. And I think his performance is good.
Okay, do you think that he will go with his team in the next match, or
I don't decide that, it's the coach, and he has a point of view, and I must respect that.
okay? The question is for you, Mr. Modric. I heard about that there was a conflict that happened between you and Casillas for the last 2 months. Is this problem solved or not?
We don't have a problem actually. The media makes things bigger than it is. We are a friend and we don't have any problem. And Casillas is a great goalkeeper.
Okay.
Spanish League show, and this is Thomas Fischer. And let me welcome my special guest Raul, former Real Madrid player. How are you? Okay, first I want to ask you some question about Casillas and Mourinho and the bad situation. How do you see the bad situation between them?
It really affected Casillas much. His job satisfaction got reduced, or his lesson. His job involvement, which includes the psychological empowerment, is also weak, and it's not existent. And that's why this affected his job performance, because he's not satisfied. But I think Casillas will be back. He will make a comeback, because he has a positive core self-evaluation.
We have a video with the last training of Real Madrid that Casillas fighting with some player, I think Modric, and this is a thing we have never seen before.
Okay, let's see it.
We can see the video and come back.
Doing well in the Madrid camp at the moment. Since the defeat from Barcelona, there are many fractions that happened in the team, especially between Casillas and Mourinho. And also the players are not doing well, are not dealing well with Casillas. As we can see, players in this video are training with Casillas.
What? Are you saying something? Are you saying something? What are you telling him? What are you telling him? What are you telling him? What are you telling him?
Okay, easy man.
What are you telling him?
Easy man.
I don't know what he's telling you.
He is not telling anything.
Casillas is fighting with the players.
We've seen the video.
I think I have already said that it really affected the job performance, the job involvement, and the job satisfaction. And that's why he has a negative way in treating his friends. And that's why I think it's really normal, but I stay in my opinion, he's going to come back.
Yeah. Okay, Casillas this season have a great chance to win the best goalkeeper. Do you think his situation is not good, or he is not have the same chance to win the...
Of course, the situation between Mourinho and Casillas really affected this award and his achievement. Because Manuel Neuer and Casillas were head-to-head in this award. And it was really close. Until now, we don't know who's going to win. But after this incident, and because Casillas is not playing anymore, I think Manuel Neuer is most probably going to win this award.
Okay, for the last question, how do you think this situation will end and Casillas will back to his performance again and be the best goalkeeper like he was?
I think he's like I've already said, that he has a positive core self-evaluation, and that's why he's coming back. But I don't think, I heard that there are some rumors that he's going to leave the club, but in my opinion, I don't think that this is going to happen. Because he really loves his club, and this is called the effective commitment. I don't think also that the salary is going to be offered from any other club, and this is called the continuous ambition. And because he is a captain, and he has a moral obligation to stay in this club, and because the management is taking the POS, or is implementing the POS system in the management, that's why I don't think that he's going to...
And so you think he will not accept any offer from the other club?
I don't think so.
And he will stay in the end?
He will stay and he will make a comeback.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. It's been my pleasure to be with you.
Thank you. It's an honor to meet you.
Thank you. Okay, thank you everyone, and see you in the next episode.